Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, as a risk warning, your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another candlestick psychology video based on those kind of candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied at any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So look at this, yes? Look at this, how close this was. So, and that was exactly that kind of concepts which I have explained in the ebook, and I want to do a put again. Yes, nice. I'm going to do a put again because I'm sure that price will continue to going down, because that is another concept which I have explained in the ebook. If you have an evening star and you get a weak candle, yes, then you can expect that price will continue to going down, and that's the reason why I'm doing here that 75 to 80% yes, sure shot trade. Yes, I can call it sure shot trade. Yes, because if you understand the context, yes, this is a sure trade. Yes, and you have seen I waited till price got above the closing price of the previous candle. Yes, and then I entered into a put, and this is showing me now what something else. This is showing me another concept which I have explained in the ebook, that we are still here in some kind of ranging market, yes, and that the next candle will be most probably bullish. That means that I wait till price goes down, yes, lower. Let me see if price will give me a lower entry point. Yes, okay, nice. And now I'm doing a call, yes, because this is the process of elimination. I have applied here everything what I have explained in the ebook one by one, yes. Candlestick pattern, trend, ranging market, understanding of ranging market, understanding of market condition, and then entering in the right direction based on that what you know or what I know from those things which I have explained in the ebook, yes. And I have done this already now the last few times. I have shown you those kind of concepts which I have explained in the ebook. I will show you this again now so that you understand how important they are. Those things are also important for the application process of the BOTT mentorship program. Why? Because they are crucial. If you are using this kind of concepts, yes, this one which I have explained in the 7th edition ebook, yes, you can dramatically increase your win ratio only if you apply them, yes, because knowing is one thing, applying them is something else, yes. And you can bring it also on the next step, where if you getting the Bible, yes, because in the Bible I have explained one by one exactly when to trade into a trade, when and when not to trade, yes. That is also really important. So let me show you this here. What was I'm talking about. So we got first of all, we got this one here, the highest probability trading setups. Look at this. So we have here engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle. In this case, what do we have here? We have an evening star, yes. So this is a spinning top, evening star. Then what do you expect after? This is the alignment of the EMAs. You see the 200, the 100 is also going down, 50 and 20, this is downtrend, yes. So we have an evening star, yes, an evening, but also flat, yes. So you have an evening star. What is the next thing? What do you expect from the evening star, yes? You expect a bearish candle, but mostly it will be not a bearish candle. Yes, mostly it will be, because we have ranging market, it was a doji. Yes, it was a doji. If it would be a good trend, this trade would be a nice continuation trade, yes, and then it would have been a bearish candle, but it was not a bearish candle. After I saw, yes, that price got a rejection here from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band, lower Bollinger Band, I understood that we are still into a ranging, because I got so many times the question, how can I recognize that we are still in ranging market? And I can say you will understand this if price reacts at the Bollinger Band. Yes, for example, this here. Yes, this looks not like price would reverse here. Yes, that is not so sure. Yes, what's happening here. Here I would wait to get a confirmation by the next candle, because it could be also that we are getting now into an uptrend, because we were here all the time in ranging. Here we have also a double bottom, and you see price is moving up. Yes, because we are getting here into a breakout. So what I want to show you here is, after I understood this from this, I have done a call option. Yes, because I understood that price will do here ranging market and to 1 deviation Bollinger Band. And that are almost those kind of concepts which I have explained here. First of all, this one here, which is almost important, the resistance, support and resistance based on the candlestick patterns. It looks really simple. It looks like it would be clear, yes, like obvious, but the problem is here, you can apply this to every kind of candlestick. And that is what you have to do. You have to do the step from coming from those things which I have explained in my ebooks, yes, to apply them on every candlestick on those things which you see, yes. Then this kind of part where I have explained exactly how to read the Bollinger Band and the EMA if you are using them. Yes, they are giving you, they are like a navigator. They are like a map on the ocean. Yes, they show you here ranging market. Yes, ranging market. Here 1 deviation Bollinger Band. I have explained this exactly in this kind of ebook. Here fake breakout trades, fake breakout. Yes, that is what this is. What looks this like? This is a fake breakout. Yes, that are fake breakouts. All things which I have explained in the ebook, you have only to apply them. It's not easy to apply them. Yes, because first of all, you have to empty your mind, because you have already learned so many, I would say, nonsense. Yes, now you get the right stuff, but you have to empty your mind and applying those things which I have explained. You have to listen what I'm saying in this kind of videos about the Bollinger Band, about the EMAs if you are using them, and then those kind of 5 things which I have explained in the 7th edition ebook. Yes, and more in detail in the Price Action Bible. This was about the analysis. Yes, because that is what I'm doing all the time, yes, based on support and resistance and those kinds of stuff. Then the continuation of any kind of things, but these are almost only, yes, if there was a trend before. Yes, you see, we had a trend before, a pre-long trend. Then you get this kind of setup. Then you can expect that price will reverse. Don't do this in consolidation area when there is green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Yes, then you get out of the money, because then you are between support and resistance, and the next candle can be red, yes, but can be also breakout. You have to understand if there will be coming up a new trend. That is this one. Then the process of elimination. Yes, that price will change if you have an uptrend and the next candle will not unfold, yes, like expected. That is what I have done here. This candle didn't unfold like I was expecting. That was the reason why I entered in the next trade into a call. Yes, because I understood that we are getting here into a ranging market or into a put. Yes, obviously. But if you are doing this, if you do this, you have to try to get almost that what I have explained here about the entry point above the closing price and below the closing price. And you see, here is no evening star, yes? Here is no evening star. This is an evening star, but I have done not here evening. I have not the space to show you all the candlestick patterns. But you can apply this kind of thing about the evening star exactly on the same thing here, yes? That should you apply on each and every candlestick, each and every chart pattern, and each and every consolidation area, and each and every support and resistance level, yes? Fibonacci level and whatsoever. That is what this is about. And obviously this one here, yes, which is undervaluated, yes, but this is how market is moving in waves. That means in purchase time, it moves in one direction, and in expiration time, it moves in the other direction, because market is moving in waves. And to increase your probability that your trade will work out better, you can see this here. Here we have an engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle, yes. But we got here what? Exactly, we got here evening star. So what I did, why I got this doji in the money. Why I got this doji in the money? I got this in the money because I waited in the purchase time that price moved up. Then I entered into this trade, yes, and in the expiration time, yes, price moved down, yes, maybe down and again up, something like this, yes, but it moved first up and then it moved down, and that was the reason why I got in the money. If price not doing this, if price is not moving up, yes, then you cannot expect that you get this in the money, yes, because at the end you will enter in a bad position and then you get out of the money. So, okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.